Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class I will solve another problem. So let us write the problem statement. So we have to print the series of characters like Z, Y, X, so on till A. So we have to print the characters from N to starting point like Z from Z to A. So for this we have to write the code. So please pause the video and try to write the code. So if you like, we have solved many problems, right? So I think you will have some idea of how to write this code. Please pause this video and write the code. So if it is not like if you cannot write the code, that's okay. You can see my code, but at least write. So import. Let us write the program. So import java dot util dot start. So we have to print from. So why I'm writing in? So we are writing ASCII values. So it should start from 122 and it should be greater than or equal to 97. So we have talked the ASCII values, right? The ASCII value for 97, like the ASCII value for A is 97 and the ASCII value for Z is 122. So that's why I'm starting from 122 means Z to A. And after that, we have to do minus minus. Why I'm doing minus minus? Because each time we are decrementing Z, Y, X. So that's why we're decrementing from top to bottom. So that's why I'm writing Z minus minus. Why am I writing greater than or equal to 97? Because each time, so 122 should be greater than or equal to greater than or equal to 97. And after that, 121 greater than or equal to 97. So each time it should be greater than or equal to 97. So that's why I'm writing greater than or equal to. So after that, we have to print the characters, the simple. So what we have to print? We have to print the characters. So first we have to convert the ASCII values of that numbers. So we have written the 122 to 197, right? So those integer values, we have to convert it into the characters. So for that, we will use char ch. Why I'm writing char? So to convert the number into the characters. So where the number are storing ch. Here see, we are storing the numbers in the ch variable. So that's why I'm writing ch here. So every time this number will convert the character. So until this loop starting this loop iterates. So the each time, so the character, the ASCII value each time will be converted into the character by writing like this. So I hope you understand this program, simple program, and you understand the ASCII values also. So that's it. We'll run the program. See here. So let's should we print up to A, right? Code excited with errors. So did we do any error? So we have taken the integer. C should be greater than or equal to 97. And each time the character should be decremented. So after we are converting so the code is correct. Let us run this program again. See here. So I think something wrong in this compiler. So The logic is correct. See here, the program is executed successfully. So this is the problem which we have solved today. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon. So then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. And that's it. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.